Starting college feels scary and exciting at the same time, right? Suddenly, no one is spoon feeding you, your classes are long, books are huge, and your teachers expect you to be independent, right? On top of that, you've got practicals, assignments, and of course, the distractions everywhere. So, the big question is, how do you actually study in college and not just survive? So that's exactly what I am going to share in this video, a complete step-by-step guide that works for any student in any college. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, let me introduce myself. I am Shagun Mathuria, currently a paramedical student at Aligarh Muslim University. When I entered college, I also felt lost. New subjects, new teachers, practical files, exams, everything was so overwhelming. But slowly, I figured out the right way to study. And today, I am going to share exact those strategies with you. You can study smart, manage your time, and enjoy your college journey without constant stress. So, the first things first, you have to understand the system. In school time, our teachers used to spoon feed us, but here in college, you are expected to be independent. That is the first reality check. Okay, so every subject has its own syllabus. Get a copy of it. It is going to be your roadmap. Second thing is know the exam pattern, theory, practicals, and internal assessments. Remember one thing, your teachers will not repeat things 10 times for you. You have to take charge of your own learning. Now, the second part is attend and learn in class smartly. Most of the students either bunk or sit in the class without focus, but the truth is 70% of exam questions come directly from what your teacher explained in the class. So, how do you make most out of your lectures? First thing, sit where you can focus, be it first row or middle row. Okay. Second thing is try to make quick notes during the lecture, not full sentences, just keywords. Third point is after your class is over, just rewrite those notes for 10 minutes, and this simple habit of rewriting your notes will keep you ahead 80% of the students who only open their books before the exam. Trust me on that. Now, the next thing is handle practicals and assignments. In college, practicals and assignments carry marks, but most of the students take it very lightly, which is a very big mistake. Try to complete your files and assignments regularly on time. Don't keep them pending till last moment. It will only increase your stress. Okay, and during the practicals, try to focus on understanding the process rather than writing the steps. Okay, and for Viva, uh, discuss common questions with your friends. This will build your confidence. Trust me, this habit will not only increase your marks but will also reduce your stress before submitting your assignments or your. Now let's talk about time management. Your college gives you a lot of freedom, and if you don't manage your time, you'll always feel behind. So here is a simple day plan you can try. From morning to afternoon, you can sincerely attend your classes, and in the evening, you can revise what was taught that day, and in the night, you can complete your files, assignment, or whatever the work you have. The pro tip here is do not study for 5 to 6 hours straight. Try to study in short sessions of 40 to 50 minutes with 5 to 10 minutes of break in between. This way, your brain absorbs more. Now, let's talk about the next point, use extra resources. Yes, sometimes books and lectures can feel boring. That's when you can switch to your extra resources. Watch YouTube animation videos for tough concepts. Use Google Images and charts for easy understanding. And also ask your seniors for previous year question papers. Trust me, you just have to respect your seniors and they will be your life saviors. Okay, last thing is Don't waste your time scrolling on YouTube. Be focused. Now, finally, let's talk about mindset and balance. College life is not only about marks and exams, it's about building a foundation for your career and making memories at the same time. So, try to be regular with your studies. 1 to 2 hours daily is enough if you are consistent. Okay, second thing is, don't just study for marks. Try to understand everything, because this is the knowledge you'll be using in your real life jobs or further studies. Last thing is, don't isolate yourself completely. Make memories, take part in your college events, and study at the same time. Okay, because college is all about balancing your life and study. So that was the complete guide from my side. And if you found this video helpful, share it with your classmates and juniors, and tell me in the comments what kind of student you are, the one who studies from the beginning or the last minute fighter. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you in the next video.